Hi, my name is Larry again. I'm going to show you the tools that you need to put in a Scroll Trellis Downspout Trellis. Cordless screw gun, tape measure, pair of scissors, and of course you need one of these packages for the trellis itself. First thing you want to do is open this and be very careful because the instructions are on the back side of this label. We're going to pull this off and open this like this. There you go. And the instructions are all spelled out exactly on how to put it up. I'll show you. First thing you do is grab this to where it's tight in your hand and remove the string. Carefully remove the first block. There's a little package of fasteners. You want to remove that as well. Set that aside. Open this up a little bit until you could see these stainless steel zip ties. Set those aside. You do not want to open those or connect them until you're ready to install them. So just set them aside as is. Roll this thing back up easy. And we'll get to the ladder. Hi, my name is Larry, better known as Mr. Scroll Trellis. We're going to install a downspout trellis right now. First thing you got to do is make sure that it's not greater than 9 feet, because that's how long the trellis comes right out of the package. So we're going to start up the very top, right where it enters the tube, and come down here to right where it goes over the lap. So right now it's 95 inches. So it's going to be less than 9 feet. We're on the way. And we're ready to install the first block. Hold this like this. We want it to go right below this first line that the tube goes in. Line it up with your block, center it up, and the screw will drill it in by itself. All you got to do is keep going. Do it so tight. Okay, now we're going to unwind it and we'll get off the ladder. Okay, just unwind this and note that this block is held in with some fasteners that are loose and they might fall out, so just be careful to watch for them. I'll unwind this. And we're going to take those screws out. There they are right there. See these two? They will pop right out. That. And we'll take this screw out. There. Now what we're going to do is position this to where it's going to be the right spot on the block. Put the little single hole out toward you and then hold it down until you see where it's going to be. Just like that. Put that screw in. Push these little fasteners in the hole, right? That will match. And this is the important part. Well, actually, let's cut this off. We already know that's right where we want, so I'm going to just cut this with scissors. Oh, there goes one of my little buttons. Here it is. Got it. Okay. Now with those buttons in, this is really important, is to actually start this drill motor with the screw on an angle. See how my angle is not going straight in, it's on an angle. So we'll just go ahead and there. Now it's nice and tight. Next part of the process is we're going to install the mid block. That's the little block of wood that we took out of the package right from the start. One of the things we need to do is make sure it's in the, so we'll take the tape measure and say from there to there is 94 and a half. Half of 94 is 45, 47 and a quarter. So if I say 47 is close enough, 47 is going to be this row right here. So we'll put the tape measure down, we'll grab this block, we'll put these holes out, and this is right where that 47 was, the midpoint. We'll take our little bag of fasteners, and we'll put them right in, just like that. We get the other one out of this package. I like to go in the outer holes, so it'll match. Just shove it in. See how it's floating like that? The last step is this screw out of the package. Put it in there. We'll center it up on the downspout. That's good. There. Your trellis is installed. Next thing, and the final step, is we'll install these stainless steel zip ties. First thing you want to do is lace it in between. You might need to bend that just a hair. Like that. Lace it. It's got to go in and out at least one of those in order not to slip off. Let's do that. There you go. How's that? Right? Slide it out. Okay, until it gets to be about like this on this side. About midway like that.
Okay.
Slide this back behind it. And stick it in there. Once these go in, they cannot come out. So make sure that you have this laced. Now you just take your thumb, push it, and pull. And if you want to tuck that in behind there, that'd be fine. And you can do that with the rest of them.